I just bet my house on XRP. If you are not investing in XRP now, then you are going to miss a big chance. The war between Russia and Ukraine is a game changer for crypto market and especially for XRP. But how is this war affecting XRP? I'm going to talk about why I just bet my house and put all in for XRP and how the current war is related to crypto and especially XRP. First of all, let me tell you that I am not a professional advisor of crypto, but I am going to tell you what I'm doing which is the best for the crypto right now. As you all know, XRP is not doing great recently. It's been going down like crazy for the past few weeks. Crypto market is 46% up from last year, and the hope is still there. So you must become serious in investing in this market for now. The reason behind this drop is the Russia and Ukraine war. Trading is becoming really difficult now. That's why YouTubers are coming out and feeling that it is due to the war that the crypto market is facing a downtime. But in my opinion, the market is not going to crash. Exactly the opposite will happen. On the other side, we also see that Bitcoin and Ethereum jumped as Russia and Ukraine started. Bitcoin jumped as much as 16% on Tuesday and is continuing its sharp rebound. So, it means cryptocurrency is playing a very important role now in wars too. To tell you more of this, there is $400,000 in cryptocurrency donations raised by a Kiev IT professional to support the Ukrainian army. The calls of crypto were on the behalf of Ukrainian people. Also, there is a fear that Russia will use cryptocurrency to avoid the effects of Western sanctions. Mobius, founding partner of Mobius Capital Partners, said, "I would say that's the reason why Bitcoin has shown strength now, because the Russians have a way of getting money out, getting their wealth out." Furthermore, Alex Gladstein said that the fact that it can't be frozen, the fact that it can't be censored, and the fact that it can't be used without ID is very, very important. If we talk further about Russia, then many countries have started to hit Russia with heavy sanctions. So, it could be possible for Russia to use crypto and avoid sanctions and move their money undetected. According to the news, Russia has been using means to hide their digital transactions. It means that if countries stop doing business with Russia, then crypto will be the biggest tool to get them around. So, to avoid this scenario, Mikhailo Fedorov, who is Vice Prime Minister of Ukraine and who is also the Minister of Digital Transformation, called for crypto and blockchain platforms to block the addresses of Russian users. But it is not easy to do so. Russia is the third largest country of crypto miners, and cryptocurrency is really very popular among the citizens, and they are using it regularly. It's not very easy to track the origin of cryptocurrency transactions and to block them. Also, many Ukrainians are converting their money to crypto, and once they reach a safe place, they plan to reconvert their crypto to their money. The whole method seems to be really exciting, right? Other people are using crypto to store their money, and Ukraine has already stopped people from using banks for foreign transfer of money. People who are cursing crypto a few months back are forced to use it now, and they have no other safe option. Also, apart from Bitcoin, stablecoins are playing a big role here. The research director, Clara Madali, at Crypto and Keiko, analyzed that Tether is twice as high than Bitcoin volume. It means that stablecoins like Tether are above other coins in these crises. As we know, there is no central controller of the cryptocurrency. Therefore, it can be used for the crowdfunding of Ukraine and Russia and can also use it to avoid Western sanctions. No one can stop either due to the lack of rules. So no one can say that crypto has no future or big future. So if any of you are thinking that the crypto market has crashed or is going to crash, then you are wrong. The Ukrainian government has already asked for donations in crypto and has raised more than $15 million. Also, the citizens are moving towards crypto as there is a fear of surveillance in traditional banking systems. So they need a system which is not governed by the government and they can use anonymously. So now you have the potential of cryptocurrency in a state of war. So, I was talking about my opinion, which was always the opposite of the predictions. If you remember, Michael Saylor has said that Bitcoin will go up to $100,000. Many of the YouTubers also started to think the same. But what happened? Completely the opposite. So apart from this threatening situation, I was telling you about my house and that I have put all of the equity in my house into XRP. But it is not a crazy decision from my side. I did that after a thorough thinking on the crypto market. As you know, there is a lot of fear right now in the market, and the fear is the best option to play your ball. If you measure the level of fear of the crypto market, then you will see that it's at the top of fear all the time. And when everyone is in fear, I have decided to take this opportunity to take a huge risk. It may be like hitting the wind an axe, but I am happy with my decision. I have put my house on rent to the bank for XRP. In terms of money, it's about above $500,000 into XRP. If it goes even for 2 or 3%, then I will be earning lots of profits. If we go back for 3 or 4 months, that was the state of the great euphoria in terms of cryptocurrency when Bitcoin was for over $600,000. But right now, it's at a stage of fear and nothing else. The investors are fearing to invest in any currency right now. It is all up to you whether you invest or not, as no one can predict anything for the future of this market. Newbies might have already left the market due to fear, but there are serious and dedicated people who have been mining Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for about 10 years. If we talk about XRP, then it is now about $20 billion, which is down from $40 billion. But the thing is, it is still worth more than the Hyundai company and DoorDash. So, this little coin is worth more than those huge and successful companies, right? But as you know, the history of XRP is still facing a lawsuit. And many observers had concluded that XRP had no future once the SEC initiated a lawsuit against Ripple, and that this cryptocurrency had no chances for development. Does this lawsuit settle for XRP at the end? Consequently, many crypto exchanges including Coinbase have delisted XRP, but events have demonstrated that those who did not believe in XRP were mistaken. We all know that Ripple Company has been actively contesting SEC charges for several years, even gaining the upper hand in this dispute. The crypto markets began to include XRP again as a result of this wave, and many people are now asking if Robinhood will do the same. Recently in January 2022, that is almost a year of the lawsuit, U.S. Magistrate Judge Sarah Netburn told the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission to handle documents which will help in this Ripple vs. SEC case. But she asked for an extension till February, and the case is still in progress. But a blockchain crypto lawyer, Jeremy Hogan, who was observing the case from the start, said that this case will end by April because Ripple seems to have already won it. Or, in the worst case scenario, it will extend till summer of 2022 on maximum. So, no one is sure yet what to do, whether to invest in XRP or not. But still, it's going to have a bright future in my opinion, and it will surpass all other coins of its competition. That's the reason I put my house up for it. That's all for today's video. So what do you think about the future of crypto? Are you going to invest right now, or will you wait until the storm settles and everything goes back to normal for the crypto market? Tell us in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.